Imagine a place on Earth baked by the sun where sand stretches out like a golden ocean. It's a desert, where life is a constant struggle for water. We think of deserts as empty, but in some of the driest places water flows freely, not from rivers or rain, but from the earth itself. This isn't fantasy, it's a reality that has puzzled scientists and explorers for centuries. Here, water systems work with no electricity, no moving parts, and no fuel, operating silently for thousands of years. How did ancient people without modern tools find hidden water and guide it across miles of barren land? These aren't just simple wells, but vast, interconnected networks, masterpieces of engineering beneath the desert floor. The builders understood geology and hydrology, seeing the world as a three-dimensional space full of hidden resources. This discovery challenges our idea of progress, showing that sophistication isn't always about technology. Sometimes the most elegant solutions work in harmony with nature, using the laws of physics to achieve the extraordinary. The story of this water is the story of us, a journey into the minds of our ancestors. It's a celebration of human ingenuity, written in the landscape itself. These ancient systems remind us that history isn't just a straight line of progress. They show that true innovation can be timeless. The mystery of water in the desert is a testament to the enduring quest to thrive, even in the harshest places. And it all begins with a single, hidden stream. The answer to this desert riddle is the Qanat. The word means to dig. And that's exactly what our ancestors did, not just down, but sideways. They created gently sloping tunnels, sometimes for miles, deep beneath the earth. Born in ancient Persia over 3,000 years ago, the idea of the Qanat spread across continents, from Iran to North Africa, Spain, and beyond. Each culture gave it a different name, but the principle remained: a universal solution to water scarcity. A Qanat is a subterranean channel that taps into underground water and brings it to the surface. It starts high in the foothills where rain and snowmelt seep into the ground, collecting in an aquifer. The tunnel pierces this aquifer, and gravity draws the water gently downhill, protected from evaporation. It emerges in villages and fields, a lifeline carved from the earth. Building a Qanat required deep knowledge of the land, knowing where water hid, how rocks tilted, and the perfect angle for flow. The builders were scientists, geologists, and hydrologists using observation and deduction to solve a critical problem. The Qanat is more than a tunnel. It's a silent monument to lost science and ecological wisdom. It's a shared human heritage, connecting cultures in the pursuit of life's most essential element. This ancient technology is a testament to our ability to adapt and thrive, and it all starts with a single ingenious idea. Let's explore how a Qanat works. It begins with a mother well, dug deep at the base of a mountain where the water table is high. This well is the source, the heart of the system. From its base, workers dug a horizontal tunnel with a precise, gentle slope. The angle had to be perfect. Too steep, and the tunnel would erode; too shallow, and water wouldn't flow. The tunnel's slope is always less than the land above, so eventually, the tunnel and surface meet, and water emerges. To build and maintain these tunnels, workers dug vertical shafts every 50 to 100 feet. From above, these look like a line of craters across the desert, ventilating the tunnel and providing access. These shafts are the only visible sign of the vast structure below. The entire system runs on gravity. No pumps, no engines, no emissions. It's a perfect example of sustainable technology, working in harmony with natural cycles. The Qanat takes only what it needs, providing for generations without consuming fuel. It's physics in service to life. This ancient system is as elegant as it is effective, and it continues to inspire us today. Building a Qanat was monumental, sometimes taking decades. Skilled workers called muqanis passed their knowledge down through generations. The lead muqani read the land, plants, slopes, rocks, to find hidden water. This was science born of deep observation, a cosmic perspective applied to daily life. The work was dangerous. Muqanis dug in darkness, hauling earth to the surface, maintaining a precise gradient with simple tools. A small error could doom the entire project. But the rewards were transformative. A successful Qanat turned desert into oasis. Water brought life. Villages grew, farms flourished, and communities thrived. The Qanat became the center of village life, a source of hope and sustenance. Water rights were shared, managed by complex rules, fostering cooperation and stewardship. Everyone depended on the Qanat, so everyone helped maintain it. This system taught powerful lessons about community and responsibility. The Qanat was more than technology. It was the engine of civilization in arid lands. Its legacy endures in the landscapes and cultures it shaped. The most astonishing thing? Many Qanats still work today. In cities like Yazd, Iran, and villages across Oman and Morocco, these ancient systems still deliver fresh water. They've survived empires, climate shifts, and the modern age. Living artifacts, not relics. For locals, the Qanat is part of daily life. Water flows through stone-lined channels, cooling the air and nourishing the community. The sound of water in the desert is the sound of life itself. Qanat water arrives without electricity, noise, or bills, a gift from the earth and ancestral wisdom. In a world where water is a commodity, the Qanat is a public trust, sustainable and equitable. Maintaining these systems is a challenge, as traditional knowledge fades and modern wells threaten aquifers. But a movement is growing to restore and protect Qanats, recognizing their value for the future. These ancient waterways still have much to teach us. As we seek sustainable solutions, we often look to the future, but some of the best answers are in the past. The Qanat is a blueprint for living with nature, not against it. It harnesses gravity and groundwater to create abundance in dry lands. Its wisdom lies in efficiency. By keeping water underground, it prevents evaporation and waste. Nearly all the water that enters a Qanat reaches its destination, a lesson for a world facing water shortages. Qanats also offer a model for decentralized infrastructure. Modern water systems are centralized and vulnerable. Qanats are distributed and resilient. If one fails, others keep flowing, a robust, adaptable network. Qanats were built for the long term, as investments in future generations. Builders often never saw their work completed, they built a legacy. This stands in contrast to the short-term thinking of today. The Qanat reminds us that enduring solutions serve the community and respect the planet's limits. It's a model of sustainability we can still learn from. The past holds blueprints for a better future. Sometimes the simplest ideas are the most powerful, and the Qanat is proof. For scientists, Qanats are time capsules, windows into past climates, geology, and engineering. Studying sediments and water chemistry reveals centuries of environmental data. Hydrologists use computer models to understand the Qanat's design, its perfect gradient, its passive water management. We're becoming students of the Muqanis, learning from their forgotten science. Qanats teach water conservation. Their steady, limited flow forced farmers to use efficient irrigation, doing more with less. Today, these ancient techniques inspire modern precision agriculture. Qanats also highlight the value of local knowledge, wisdom gained from generations living on the land. As we face climate change and water scarcity, partnering with local communities is essential. The Qanat's lessons are about sustainability, resilience, and respect for place. Ancient wisdom and modern science can work together for a sustainable world. As water scarcity grows, we invest in high-tech solutions, but the Qanat offers a different path. Its principles inspire new systems worldwide using gravity, minimizing evaporation and empowering local communities. In arid regions, a Qanat-inspired system can be built with local materials providing sustainable water for drinking and farming. This isn't about replacing modern technology but expanding our toolkit. Sometimes the best solutions are simple, local, and in harmony with the earth. The Qanat story is one of hope, showing that human ingenuity stretches back thousands of years. Our ancestors faced great challenges and found enduring, beautiful solutions. By learning from their wisdom, we can build a secure water future for all. The past may hold the key to quenching the thirst of our future world. The Qanat's legacy is more relevant than ever. When we search for water on other worlds, we're reminded how precious it is here on Earth. The Qanat story is about cherishing and managing that lifeblood, making oases bloom in the driest places. The builders were astronomers of the Earth, understanding the hidden connections beneath their feet. Their work shows that science is a human endeavor, observing, understanding, and shaping our world. This legacy belongs to all of us. The same spark that sends probes to Mars once dug tunnels for water. We come from a long line of problem solvers, capable of brilliance and long-term thinking. The evidence is written in lines of wells across the desert. The Qanat is more than an ancient water system. It's a message from the past. It urges us to work with our planet, to value simple, elegant ideas. The solutions we need may be waiting, whispering